Hi YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. I don't have a tripod, so what I did was I had a pre-opened box to help me out. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in this box. Speaker number 1, speaker number 2, and the last part is stuck. There we go. That's everything that comes in the box. Got the treble, mids and bass, and I'll tell you what, there's a huge difference from my stock BMW E39 speakers to this. And this is the R152s.
I want to break it before you even install it.
And there you guys go. That's what you get. Pretty simple. And this is the only part I'm going to use. I'm not going to be using this screw because this is going to go right inside the door. There it is. We're not going to be using any of that. We're simply going to be using this little piece here. So let's get on to the installation. So there's going to be 3 things total you need for this project. Screwdriver, some kind of tool that you can remove the trim from the door, and hot glue gun. So I know this is a bit of a jump, but there's plenty of other videos out there that show how to remove the door panel. What you have to do is remove the door panel. Like I said, everything else can stay the same unless you're going to be doing other stuff. And you're basically going to remove this speaker, and this is the one I'm going to start off with. And if you can hear, it's scratching, which means the coil is probably on its way out at this point, as the sound is very horrible from it.
Alright YouTube, so at this point, you're going to want to very gently pry this up. Now it's better to have something like this. These are the tools made to remove the trim in your car. And you're just going to gently pry it. There might be some glue holding it in place. And as you see, you just unplug it. And they are the same exact prongs that are on the new speaker. So you guys can see, same exact prongs, so you can't mess these up. And just like that, plug in. Put these guys very gently back in place. We're not nothing. It's a ROCKER Fosgate. The ROCKER Fosgate. The ROCKER Fosgate. Logo is going to be sideways, and you should be able to read it from this section. And that always seems like the best way to install it. Now, I will say, initially, the hole's not perfectly aligned yet. So let me show you guys how to fix that.
As you can see, all the screws are in. It does take a little finessing. They typically go in at a very slight angle. They still end up screwing in straight though. I've done this to the other side with no problems. The next part is a little tricky, so you're going to have to take out this entire piece. We're going to actually use hot glue to seal it around the sides, just to create a very tight speaker, because you don't want any air sneaking out of there, because then it's going to make that crackling sound.
So there are 3 screws that you're going to have to take out. That guy, that screw, and this screw. There we go, partially out, so I can make this video a little less painful for you guys. And while we're here, these are also going to be removed. So, let's see. Push down in the middle, and then you're going to slot this over, just like that. It's not any harder than it looks. I already took the tweeter out because that's attached to the door. Last one is this one. Let's see if I can get this. Now this is the last screw. Okay. So, now that they're all out, you're going to want to finish removing all of these screws. And I usually keep all my screws together. Everyone has different techniques. Some people put them back in the hole. I typically don't lose screws anymore because I carry around little magnetic trays to hold the screws. And just like that, the entire little speaker box is out. So I'm not going to be able to do this because I'm a one-man person right now, on my own. So I want to tell you guys what you do. Basically, you're going to get the hot glue gun, really hot, and you're going to want to glue right in the seams over here, all along the side. I even glue the screws in place, that way they don't vibrate out. And if you ever have to remove it, it's pretty easy. It should just peel right up with a screwdriver.
And just like that, it's all sealed off, so you can have a really nice tight speaker. It's not going to be flapping all around. And this might still be a little bit on the warm side, so I just got done with it. It doesn't have to look great because it's going to be covered, so don't go too crazy. I mean, you can if you want, obviously, but you don't have to go too crazy with doing this. Another alternative way is foam that you can, it's like a sticky foam that goes around the speaker, and that can also do that, but this is what I have to work with. It works, so there you go.